Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to reset Photoshop to default settings. As you can see, we have a customized app now. Close the Photoshop app. Right-click on the Photoshop icon and select Open from the list. Click Yes in the pop-up window. You will have a clean Photoshop app now. Click on Create New or Open and enjoy. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!